Now it's her turn. The defense in the Tracie Hunter trial begins calling witnesses today. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsh joins us live from the newsroom with the strategy we can expect. Jeff?
Well, good afternoon. The suspended juvenile court judge is charged with 9 felonies, among them forgery and tampering with evidence. The prosecution says Hunter backdated a couple of court records, trying to make it impossible for the Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office to appeal Hunter's rulings on time. If you don't file on time, you lose the appeal. But the defense says backdating documents was a routine practice in juvenile court, not by Judge Hunter, but by members of her staff. And the defense says it was done simply to keep the court docket in a chronological order, not for anything suspicious. Defense attorney Clyde Bennett questioned Hunter's case manager, Lisa Miller. Bennett put some 25 backdated records on the record.
Did anybody ever come to you and say, hey, look, you're doing these judicial entries wrong by making them match the date of the hearing? Did anybody say anything to you about that?
No.
Were you trying to trick or deceive anybody when you was doing these entries? You?
Absolutely not.
I didn't think so.
The witness Lisa Miller said that 3 other court staffers also generated backdated entries, including the case management director. The prosecution gets to question Miller on Monday when the trial enters week number 4. Back to you.
So I might have missed it here, but I'm still unclear. What is the reason to backdate anything?
Well, I mean, basically they're saying, let's say you put something aside, maybe the judge is out of town, or it's just a big pile of stuff because somebody's on vacation or the case manager's on vacation. And so you come in maybe the next day and you go, all right, the hearing was yesterday, you know, it's today, I'm writing it down, but I'm going to make it chronological so when it goes in the files, it shows up that the hearing was yesterday instead of the day you actually signed it. And basically the defense is saying, no harm, no foul. This is just the way they did things, nothing nefarious. And the prosecution is saying, look, Judge Hunter, you knowingly signed at least these, not at least, but 2 of these things. Yeah. And when you did that with the purpose of basically trying, I won't say defraud, but trying to fool the prosecution and not allow them to file on time and appeal.
Jeff Hirsh, thanks for clearing that up. I appreciate it. Before the defense began calling witnesses, Judge Norbert Nadel denied a defense request to throw out all of the charges, a sort of a normal course in the stage of this trial. Judge Nadel did say some of those charges may be redundant, but he said he would deal with that if and when it becomes relevant.